Hello and welcome. Last time I create Microk8s cluster with 3 nodes. Now we have the Kubernetes cluster ready for Rancher installation. First enable Microk8s plugins for Rancher. Then add permission to Rancher to control the Kubernetes cluster. Run this commands on all nodes on cluster. Then install to cert-manager for Rancher. This tool manage certificates on Kubernetes. Then Rancher itself installation. Replace last command, set hostname to point name like rancher.domain name. Other your Rancher has funny DNS name like mydocker1. And use other DNS than .local domain. Then wait some time to Rancher pod getting ready. Let's open browser and open Rancher. But first add to host's file DNS record for Rancher if local DNS server does not have records. OK, set admin password and select default view. Multiple or single view. Error because we used .local domain, so it to something else like .home. Now Rancher is ready for managing Kubernetes cluster. Thanks for watching and see you soon.